Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a team starter character in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we'll need to navigate to the search panel of Windows, then search for Roblox Studio. So just left click on the search panel, then type Roblox Studio, then click on open. After Roblox Studio has opened, go to the My Games section. From here, select the game that you want to add a starter character in. After that, from the toolbox section on the left hand side, in the search panel, just type custom character. Now from here you can select any character you want as a starter character, or you can just make your own character if you wish as it is. So I'll just choose this one. So firstly, import the asset into the game. Then I'll just right click on it, then click on cut. Then go to the starter player section in the explorer and paste it into there. Now we have to rename the file to starter character. And after you have renamed the file, if you go to the play section, you will see that you have spawned in as the custom character. And now everybody that logs into your game will be spawning in as this custom character.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.